Hi everyone, welcome back to this special video celebrating the second anniversary of the channel. 2 years ago today I put out my first video on the Citroen C4 Grand Picasso. It was an oil change video. I'll put a little picture of the thumbnail just around here somewhere for you to see. And yeah, so that's the first video I put out 2 years ago. Since then we've gained over 500 subscribers at time of recording, which is amazing. Thank you all for that. In this video we're going to go through a few future plans, look back at the past year and share major successes, and yeah. So to start off with, I thought I'd do a top 5 of the tools I reviewed in my What's in My Toolbox series. So I'm going to start with number 5, which is the oil drain pan tool. Really handy little tool for getting out those drain plugs without getting oil on your hands, as well as other little bit things. If you've seen the full video of this, which I'll put a link in the description for, it's a really good little tool, really handy little tool. So that's number 5. Moving on to number 4 now, which is this per user sledge. Great little hammer. No, it's only very little, it's quite big, but nonetheless it's a good little hammer to use. I've used it extensively and it's really good. Obviously I've done a video on this too. You'll see that in the description as well, along with the other tools in this part of the video. So move on to number 3, which is this pretty handy little rotary tool. So let me get it out of the case. This is on the foot first, but it comes with a selection of bits. You can also buy other bits as well. It takes a lot of these standard bits for multi-tools. Here's a little palm-sized rechargeable multi-tool, rotary tool, should I say. Really good little thing to have. I've used it a lot, especially for sanding out like certain parts. It's been really good. Yeah, so that's my number 3. Moving into the top 2 now. Let me put this out of the way quickly. We're going to have this set of 3 Liberian ratchets. I'm going to get 2 out because I've only got 2 hands. But there's a third one. I'll probably get the third one actually. Let me grab that out. So we have a 1/4 inch, 3/8 and a 1/2 inch. And these have served me really well. I've used them in practically every job I've done. They do really well. I really enjoy using them. So that's my number 2, these are Liberian ratchets. And moving on to number 1, and my favourite tool I reviewed in the past year is this Draper Stormforce impact gun. It is a 1/2 inch drive and I found it really handy. Obviously I had it quite a while before I did the What's in My Toolbox on it. I really wanted to test it out, make sure it does what it says on the tin, and it's fantastic for that. Gets off the most stubborn fasteners. I haven't found something that I haven't been able to remove it yet. As long as the battery's fully charged, you're pretty good. It's quite low at the moment. But to go with this, an honourable mention, also this US Pro deep impact socket set. And it's a really good set. But it's really well with the impact gun, as well as the 1/2 inch ratchet in the Liberian set. So it's a pretty good little set as well. But yeah, this is my number 1. Draper Stormforce. It's really handy. Moving on from that, let's talk about my favourite repair video of the year. And that is going to be the window regulator on the Citroen C4 Grand Picasso, or Scylla for short. And yeah, really good video, really enjoyed doing it. I've had some really nice comments on it, some really helpful advice. Other people have added on to what I did on the video. So check out the comments on that video. I'll put a link to it. And here's a picture of the thumbnail so you can see what it looks like. Obviously it's not here now, but it will be after editing. Not I'm good enough to do that. And yeah. Also in this past year, as I mentioned earlier, we went from around 240 subs at the time of the first anniversary video to now being over 500, which I'm really grateful for. I'm really thankful to everyone who found the content enjoyable and entertaining. So now in this part of the video we're going to talk about the future plans for the channel and what we want to achieve in the next 12 months. So starting off with, we're going to have a Halloween special at the end of this month. To carry on from last year's Halloween special, it was greatly received and people were waiting for a sequel. I've had lots of comments, people asking me when I'm going to be getting around to doing another one. Obviously I have to wait till Halloween, which is only a few weeks away from now. And then we're also going to have a new product debuting on my channel. It's this shadow phone, so this is it here. You may have seen this on YouTube already. But I picked up some to organise the toolbox. So there's going to be an organisation video on the toolbox using this. I've got quite a big selection over here. It comes with this little basic cutting kit as well, which is probably the easier thing to show on the camera. Yeah, so we're going to be cutting some shadow foam, organising the toolbox, so it makes it nice and easy to find stuff. Or at least that's the plan anyway. Hopefully it'll be right. And we've got a nice pattern in blue as well, we're doing other colours. That's pretty cool. Also, we'll be going to have an advent calendar this year again. Last year's advent series was really well received and people really seem to like it. So we are going to be doing another Sealy advent calendar this year. So I'll put a picture of it here. It hasn't actually arrived yet. It doesn't come out for another few days from the time of recording. But yeah, there should be a picture of it up above my hand somewhere around here. Fingers crossed. And yeah, that's that. We're also going to have the Christmas tool haul, as well as the regular What's in My toolboxes. They should be weekly, at least until the new year. They may slow down around New Year. Time gets a bit tight around then, with work and the day job and stuff. But apart from that, we'll also be having the regular repair videos as well. Sorry about that, my phone went a bit dead then. But yeah, so we'll have the regular repair videos. I've got quite a bit of footage banked up. I've just got to get around to editing it. So that should be out relatively regularly. Hopefully 2 videos a week. This week you are going to be treated because there are going to be 4 videos this week. I've got another Team U tool haul coming up, as well as a repair video at the end of the week, and you have your regular What's in My toolbox today, later today, around 6 o'clock as always. So yeah, there's plenty coming. Also, I'm hoping to expand in the new year into some more, like I said last year, I was planning to do some diagnostic videos. Time hasn't really allowed it. Hopefully in the new year, there'll be some more diagnostic videos coming out, and actual diagnostic videos on how to diagnose faults, rather than just the fixing of them as well. But yeah, we've got plenty of fun stuff coming. Now on to the final part of this video. We've got a few more little things we want to talk about. So starting off with a lot of people on my bike. Right, let's try again, shall we? There's just a few more little things to talk about. Starting off with, I've had a lot of people asking if I've fixed their cars, and the answer is yes, I'll do my best to help fix cars, depending if you're in the right area. I can't really travel at the moment because of work and family commitments, but if you're in the Cornwall area, drop me an email at dobbysrepair@gmail.com and I'll do my best to try and sort something out for you and get your car featured on my channel. The other thing a lot of people have been asking about is merch. I haven't got any at the moment, but I am working on some. We're in talks with people to get stuff made, like t-shirts, hats, all sorts of different things really. But if that's something you'd be interested in, drop a comment on this video and let me know for what you particularly like. If you have any particular style of merch you'd like, and we'll try and fast forward that out. And apart from that, what else is there? I think that's everything. I think I covered everything in this video. So thank you all for watching. Once again, thank you for everyone who's supported the channel. I really appreciate everything you've done. Supporting the channel really means a lot to me. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.